Hello Kayami! Hope you have a great day! For this episode, I will be making the famous street food from Ilocos, the Vigan Empanada. Let's start by steam frying the vegan longaniza or any garlicky sausage that you have. Here's the steam-fried vegan longaniza. Peel the green papaya, then grate with a big grater, then add salt and set aside. Let's saute the vegetable fillings. In a pan, add oil, followed by the garlic. Cook until aromatic. Then add the mung bean sprout. You can also add peeled mung beans that is soaked in water overnight. Season with fish sauce or patis. Remember not to stir the mixture. Allow the fishy odor evaporate first. Then add the green papaya. Continue sauteing for about 3 minutes on medium heat. Let's make the orange rice flour dough. Combine in a mixing bowl the rice flour, salt and pepper. Then whisk. In a pot, add water, then add annatto seeds. You can also add annatto powder instead. Gradually add the annatto water to the rice flour mixtures. Combine until it forms a dough. I use electric mixer to mix, but you can also use your hands to knead until it becomes pliable like a clay dough. Let's form the Vigan Empanada. I took 130 grams of the rice dough. I used a thick plastic to flatten the dough, but you can also use banana leaves. When the orange rice dough already flattened, get papaya salad mixtures. Then the vegan longaniza or any garlic sausage that you have. I put 1 egg on my egg duct separator to remove the egg whites. Then do the same steps with the rest of the rice dough and fillings. Here's the rest of the vegan empanada that I made. Yummy! That's it, Kayami, with vegan empanada. This empanada you can also dip on tomato ketchup or spicy vinegar. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, Kayami!